Hi.
Oh, just wait.
Hi. Sasakyan. Walang namamasyal. Mickey. There.
There's the Lola. This is the Lola Belmont. You put it there. Okay, you put it there.
Okay, or you put there. You put there. Properly. Put it down. Yay.
Holy Spirit.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to
you. Oh.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Let's go to.
Miggy, you give it to Ate Joanna.
Properly. Okay, very good. Ayun. Rollers house.
There's dog. I just love it to do.
Bless. Zaki, bless tita. Mickey, bless Lolo.
Pinakita mo kay Roy yan.
Hindi pa nakain yung aso namin.
Para sa aso lang naman to.
Baby.
A few minutes later.
2:30 pa lang ha. Kainan na naman. Wala nang toasted siopaw ah.
Box na lang ng toasted.
Oh. Ano yan?
Open.
Oh, toasted siopaw pa. Puto.
Ito masarap to.
Siomay.
May siomay pa ron.
Super sarap
May
yan.
pagkakaiba tong...
Teka, may kinukuha pa ron.
Sobra.
Ano yan?
Ano? May pagkakaiba sa ibang puto ba yan?
Oo.
Parehong brand. Oo, gutom na si Miggy. Ano nangyayari, anak?
Barbie.
Puto pa.
Friend.
Ito ang pasimuno.
Kasi ng aliit.
Kain na
Mesa
ulit.
niyo eh.
Ito ang pasimuno.
Ang liit ng mesa niyo.